Hello everyone, this is Just Us 2411, and today we're going to be showing you Hilton Grand Vacation Club, Parc Soleil, here in Orlando, Florida, with beautiful palm trees and stunning views.
But first, here's the beautiful entryway as you drive up to the resort. This property is located near Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, and International Drive. This two-tower oasis has a swimming pool, jacuzzi, quick service dining, and a grab-and-go convenience deli. This is a one-bedroom suite. As you enter, you are greeted with a beautiful picture. There are several throughout the suite. Next, we have a floor-to-ceiling storage closet. This may fit 2 to 3 suitcases and may even be large enough to fit a surfboard. This entryway leads to your dining and kitchen area, which has full-size stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, a coffee pot, an ice bucket, and all of your coffee necessities in a basket. There is a dishwasher that comes fully stocked with juice and wine glasses, bowls, plates, flatware, and are pre-washed before your arrival. There is also plenty of cabinet space to put away dishes, as well as pantry items such as bottled water, sodas, snacks, and breakfast bars. The lighting above the sink highlights the picture, but is also a great night light. Underneath the sink, there's a fire extinguisher, a paper towel refill, a sponge for scrubbing, a drain for the sink, Ecolab dishwasher detergent, and a trash can that we've already taken out. Next to the sink are paper towels, dish soap, and dishcloths. There's plenty of counter space along with electrical outlets. There's also a knife set and a wooden holder. In the drawers we have cooking utensils such as a spatula, slotted spoon, and ladle. We also have a veggie peeler, can opener, and bottle cap opener. Here we also have silicone pads to place hot items on, as well as a toaster. In this drawer we have a pizza cutter, a cheese grater, an ice cream scoop, and a wine bottle opener. The stove has 5 burners, time at waist level, three racks inside of the oven, and the microwave is a little small but works very well. The overhead cabinet also comes with a strainer. Here we have a large dining room table that seats 4. The table and chairs are dark brown and very comfortable. And as you know, you can't spell comfortable without table. These chairs belong at this table because they are very comfortable. And as you can see, we have another picture that fits the neutral tones of the suite.
Here we have a stainless steel fridge made by Samsung. The top half is a double door fridge, plenty of shelves in the doors for beverages or sauce bottles, or both. The egg shelf is located on the top right of the fridge. We have several shelves inside with lots of space, great for placing leftovers, cooked or catered food from a large breakfast or from a day at the parks. And if you're also throwing a big party, you can also store the leftovers in here as well. Here at the bottom, we have a large deep freezer with 2 separate drawers. Great size for frozen pizzas, frozen snacks, microwavable breakfast, and ice cream. Behind this door, we have a full-size stackable washer and dryer, and it comes with laundry detergent as well. As we enter the living room, here is a thermostat to control how hot and how cold we want your suite to be. Next to that is the entertainment center with a flat screen TV and DVD player, with additional storage underneath. Natural tones extend into this large comfortable rug, an oval-shaped coffee table, great for movie night. Large enough for pizza, popcorn, sodas, ice cream, and of course, the remote. 2 large velvet soft chairs, and a large fabric sofa that pulls out to a bed for extra sleeping. Here is the balcony. It comes with 1 sun lounger. A second lounger is available upon request. It also comes with a table and chair set that seats up to 4 people. It's very spacious out here. It overlooks 2 lakes, the second tower, and pools right underneath, with hot tubs as well. In the distance, you can see Swan and Dolphin Hotel and Hollywood Studios Tower of Terror. As we make our way from the balcony to the left, we're greeted by French doors that lead into the bedroom. Inside this bedroom, it's a brown fabric chair and ottoman with wood accent table and a trash can right beside it. You have sand-colored drapes with a touch of gray and brown design. These windows looks out onto your balcony. Beside the chair, you have a full-length gold frame mirror. It comes with a full-size dresser with deep drawers, large flat-screen TV, an overhead fan, nightstands on both sides of the bed, clock, phone, and extra storage. It has a king-size bed with 5 pillows and is super comfortable. Here's a large closet, similar size to the entry closet, but with overhead storage, with a blanket. It comes with an ironing board, several hangers, space for 2 to 3 suitcases, and room for carry-on luggage as well. It also comes with a luggage rack. A second luggage rack is available upon request. Last but not least, we have a spacious bathroom with a backlit frameless mirror with dual sinks, toiletries, bath towels, hand towels, and washcloths. We also have a tile floor with small blue squares to match the subway tiles around the sink. There's a soaking tub with no faucet. The water comes from the ceiling, with the control handle on the wall right beside the tub. The toilet is in a separate area behind a sliding door. You have a light, artwork, toilet paper, and trash can in this room. There's also a shower that's roomy. Clean your odds and ends without hitting against the wall or the glass door. There's more subway towels in here, with a rainfall adjustable shower head, with handheld shower head for you to use close up. Well, there you have it, a one-bedroom suite tour here at the Hilton Grand Vacations Club Parc Soleil. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with future content. Thank you. Bye-bye.